Okay, real quick shock tip for the SCX30 shocks. Injora seems to be the only real decent go-to for oil-filled shocks for the SCX30. Again, Trill shocks are not fillable. They're not sealed for oil. Despite what the A-Main site says, A-Main hobby site says, you go to the Trill website, it says nothing about oil. Plus, oil shocks have a separate compartment at the bottom here where you unscrew the bottom. And there's like 2 or 3 O-rings in there that actually keeps the shock sealed. That's one piece of aluminum that's not sealed. Here's the Injora. There's the compartment right there, that black bottom part. Unscrew that. There's 3 O-rings in there. It's like 2 black O-rings and a plastic O-ring, hard plastic. But anyway, the 3 there combined creates the seal. But unfortunately, Injora shocks don't come with a bottom pivot ball. They give you the top with the built-in spacer that pushes it off the frame, off the chassis. But there's no pivot balls for the bottom. So I guess they expect everybody to keep using the stock links when using their shocks. It just so happens the Trills that I thought were oil filled that are not does come with the pivot ball on the bottom, and they're the same size bottoms as the Injora shocks. So just got to get them out of here and snap them into the Injora shocks. So after messing around with different things, I found the easiest way to get something with some space underneath it. I'm using a reamer. Put it just so that the bottom of the pivot ball is in open space. You're not going to be able to see this because the phone's going to adjust where it wants to adjust. And give it a couple of taps to get it out. Well, I got to be 1 tap because I've been doing it for a few times now. There it is. Just pull it off of that. Which I need pliers for that also. Just pull it. Drop it on my magnetic mat so it don't get lost. And now I have the pivot ball to put into the bottom of the Injora shock. Okay. Sorry for the focusing, but you get the point of what I'm saying. So if you can find these small pivot balls separately and you're using aftermarket links with your SCX30, I suggest you buy some of those pivot balls because Injora oil-filled shocks does not come with them. Peace.